Hey everybody, Ray here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So tonight I want to tell you about my latest purchase, Jagermeister Cold Brew. Now everybody's familiar with Jagermeister, has done a shot one time in their life. Some people are crazy about it, some people not so much, but everybody is pretty familiar with Jagermeister. Now they've made a thing called Cold Brew, which is mixed with Arabica beans and a hint of cacao, which is chocolate. Okay, so I want to show you the different ways that it can be enjoyed. The best thing is to have one that you keep in your freezer. You can see the frost on the bottom of this bottle. The best way to enjoy it is cold in a cold shot glass, like this. Pretty syrupy, 56 ingredients. It's got their trademark Jagermeister taste to it. But with the Arabica beans in there, it's kind of calmed down. I mean, you get a hint of coffee in the background, and the Jagermeister taste is not as present as regular Jagermeister. So I find it's pretty enjoyable like this. You definitely want to serve it cold. But I also found the way I like it is I like it with a mint patty. I mean, I found the mint is kind of accentuated by the mintiness of the Jagermeister. Take a bite out of a mint, and take a shot out of your shot glass. So the cold shot is nice and smooth. Picture Jagermeister, coffee, and chocolate together. That's what this is. More syrupy, but it is excellent cold. So let's see what we think about the Whistler Irish whiskey in cold brew. It tastes good. I like it. It tastes good. Definite minty taste to it. I got this because it said double oak. I thought maybe the double oak would kind of reflect well on the Jagermeister taste, but I think it really kind of needs something a little more oaky and woodsy tasting. I bet it would taste good with some Jack Daniel's number 7. So I think we're gonna have to try that and let you know what we think. Okay, so now we've totally lost our outside light. But luckily we got a lot of lighting on the outside patio here. But like I said, I threw an ounce and a half of Jack Daniel's Tennessee number 7 whiskey in there with an ounce and a half of Jagermeister Cold Brew. And then we're just going to take a sip of our shot glass. It's very good by itself. We're just going to take a maraschino cherry. Toss it on top there. Give that a stir. I think this will taste better with something a little more smokier, a little more filling than the Irish whiskey. But I do like the Jack Daniel's and the cold brew. It goes pretty good together. I'm going to show you one more that I have that I pre-filmed last night that I mixed together. So you're going to have lots of different things you can do with this and cold brew. I mean, like I said, by itself, it is very good by itself. I think you will like it, but there's certainly other things you can do with it. Well, I think you're really going to like this. I want you to try it out, and I want you to get back to me and tell me how you like it. So, that's it. Out. Ray coming from the patio. All totally dark now. Sort of dark. Oh, it's got her fountain going. That's what the water noise is. There's the mint we got hanging there. Okay. Enough of that, Ray. Get on with it. Okay. I'll see ya. Hey everybody, Ray here. Welcome back. So check out this head of hair, man. You know, with this COVID stuff, haven't been able to get out and schedule an appointment for a haircut. But this weekend, I'm gonna do this mange cut. My father did used to call me Rughead. I found the Jagermeister Cold Brew is great with the Balloltin. Now I did another review on the Balloltin. You might want to pick this up. It's got a nice minty flavor and you might like this. So the minty flavor I found goes well with the Jagermeister Cold Brew coffee. Okay, so let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a glass of our chiller. And like I always tell you, if you don't have a chiller, just simply take your glass, fill it with some ice, set it aside. Now while it gets cold. But you gotta chill, let's use it. And I'm gonna use an ice ball in there. Check it out, Mimi, another ice ball. Okay. Dropped it in there. Come on. Okay. Then we're gonna go real easy. An ounce and a half of cold brew, an ounce and a half of Balloltin. Let's do that. So this cold brew coffee is pretty versatile. Now I want you to write back to me and tell me if you found different things it goes into. Let me know. I want to know. That's an ounce. We're going to go to the ounce and a half side. Okay. And so put that on top of our ice ball. And then put yourself an ounce and a half of Balloltin Mint Chocolate whiskey. Okay. Then we're simply going to give ourselves a stir stick. Okay, let's give that a taste. Oh wow, I like that. The Arabica beans and the cacao only helps to accentuate the chocolate and the chocolate whiskey, the mint chocolate whiskey. So like I said, this is just another way to enjoy it. I'm sure there's countless ways. I want you to write me back and tell me which way you found you like it. Do you like it by itself? Do you like it in coffee? Do you like it at all? Let me know, man. Okay. Until next time, my friends. Just remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch you next time. I'll see you later. Off to go play some pool.